Samsung is going to change the game with Exynos 1080. For those who don't know, Exynos 1080 is going to be the successor to the Exynos 980 found in the Galaxy A71 5G, and it will be a mid-range chipset, and it will be the first Android chipset with a 5nm architecture and Cortex A78 cores with Mali G78 GPU. It will be inside the upcoming Galaxy A72 5G, which would come at the end of December, and surprisingly, Exynos 1080 has surpassed the Snapdragon 865 Plus in the Android flagships and Apple's A14 Bionic chip inside the latest iPhone 12s, and even the Kirin 9000 inside the upcoming Mate 40 by Huawei on Antutu benchmark, becoming the fastest chipset in the world. Not only would it be the fastest chipset, but also the most efficient chipset. Like, holy smokes, I genuinely wasn't expecting this. As soon as I heard it, I just went crazy. It will make Galaxy A72 5G a flagship phone with the price of just $600, which is straight up unbelievable. And if you're enjoying this video, by the way, a subscribe to my channel would be massively appreciated. I'm trying to get 500 subscribers by the end of this year. Please make that happen. With that said, it would have a 64 megapixel penta camera setup, and if we're lucky enough, we might even have an under display camera, which would be insane. Now, Samsung is going to collaborate with Vivo, and Exynos 1080 will first be used in a Vivo flagship, which would be the Vivo X60, and Vivo would no longer release a Snapdragon powered flagship phone, and it would also be inside the upcoming phones by Meizu. Now, some of you may say, what about the chipset that would be inside the Galaxy S21? So Exynos 2100, or whatever Samsung would call it, would be inside the Galaxy S21, which would be even faster than the Exynos 1080, but I will make a separate video about it, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see that. So things are getting pretty insane by 2021. I'm honestly very excited about the Exynos 1080. It is going to be a game changer. Samsung is just crushing the competition, and let's see what happens. I just can't wait to see that. So yep, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next vid.